Hello again. There are signs of a very warm spell of weather next week for some parts of the UK, but not for all. And before we get there, there's plenty to talk about through the weekend and indeed for the rest of Friday, because some thunderstorms are likely to break out across parts of Scotland. Elsewhere, after a very soggy 24 to 48 hours, the rain is generally easing across England and Wales. Here's the satellite pitch you can see on the radar as well. This area of rain that persisted through the night through Wales, parts of southern England, just slowly edging northwards and tending to break up, still bringing rain to parts of Northern Ireland, North Wales staying very soggy through the rest of Friday afternoon, and showers then working up across northwest England and southern Scotland. They could be heavy and they could be thundery, but elsewhere it is turning drier, and where it brightens up, well, temperatures could get up to 20 or 21 Celsius. Cool still on those North Sea coasts across eastern Scotland, where it stays fairly misty and murky. But it's further south and west across Scotland where we're concerned about the thunderstorms breaking out through the late afternoon into the evening, particularly over the central belt, and then later on in the evening over parts of the northwest of Scotland, dropping a lot of rain in a short space of time. Lightning, hail, an extra hazard, some pretty miserable conditions on the roads, and the potential for some local flooding from those thundery downpours. Elsewhere, well, the showers will keep going in southwest England, but for many it will be a dry night, perhaps turning a bit misty and murky in a few spots, and staying quite grey and murky again across parts of eastern Scotland. Temperature-wise, well, they're going to drop down to 10 to 13 degrees. Nothing too remarkable about that for this time of year. Into the details then for the weekend, and we start with still some cloud and showery rain across northwest Scotland. That slowly fizzles out. The mist and low cloud should be finally clearing away from the coast of northeast Scotland. May take a while to clear from Shetland, where we could see a few showers. One or two showers dotted across England and Wales, but for the vast majority, Saturday is a dry and a bright day, and we'll see some sunny spells as well. Temperatures should be quite a bit higher for quite a few of us on Saturday as well, around 3, 4, 5 degrees higher. Some places up to 23, maybe 24 Celsius, and many areas over 20 degrees. Notice though behind me, there's another zone of cloud and rain, and the wind's picking up across Northern Ireland. As it clouds over here, there will be some rain pushing into Northern Ireland on Saturday evening, particularly so in the west, and eventually some of that rain will trickle into Pembrokeshire, Devon and Cornwall too through the evening. But for many, it'll be a fine end to what will be a fine day on Saturday. But these weather fronts are approaching. They're tied into an area of low pressure. The isobars squeeging together, so it is going to be quite a windy spell on Saturday night and Sunday morning. These weather fronts then move across the country during Sunday. So the details for Sunday, we start like this. A lot of cloud and outbreaks of rain very early on from those weather fronts. They do tend to push away. Eastern areas having a soggy Sunday morning. Yes, the rain may linger in the far northeast for much of the day, but generally it brightens up with sunny spells, and then we'll see some showers coming in on Saturday afternoon, especially for Wales, some for southwest England, particularly Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Fairly frequent showers as well. A fresher feel on Sunday as well, but still with some sunshine. Temperatures getting into the high teens or low 20s, but that weather front moving through should tend to reduce the humidity. Temperatures, though, could be on the rise next week. There is the potential for quite a warm spell, to say the least, particularly across the south and the east. Not everywhere, though, is going to see that very warm spell of weather. Make sure you stay up to date with the very latest. Best way to do that, follow the Met Office on social media.